Today we're diving into a topic that could change the way you think about your biggest asset, your home. In 2025, homeowners are sitting on a record amount of equity. But the big question is, are you making the most of it? Whether you consider upgrading to your dream home or paying off debt, reinvesting, or even starting a business, your home equity is a powerful tool that can open up doors for new opportunities. Before we jump into the strategies, my name is Kevin Mangum. I'm a realtor and investor here in the Houston market. Welcome to my channel. Please take a second to like this video, subscribe, and share with someone who could benefit from this information. Now, let's talk about how to leverage your home equity in 2025 to achieve some of your financial goals. Number one, upgrade to a better home. As a seller with significant equity can use the proceeds from your home sale to make a larger down payment on a new property. This reduces the loan amount, the monthly payments, or allows you to afford a higher priced home with better amenities, such as more square footage, updated features, or even a better location. Number two, downsize for financial freedom. For anyone whose current home no longer fits your needs, like empty nesters, retirees, downsizing can free up equity. By selling a larger, more expensive home, buying a smaller home that's less costly, you as a seller can lower your housing expenses and use the leftover funds to boost retirement savings or just flat out eliminate debt. Home equity can be reinvested into other properties such as rental homes, vacation properties, or multifamily units. These investments can generate rental income, appreciation, and tax advantages. For instance, you could choose to buy a duplex and live in one unit and rent out the other unit for more passive income. Number four, paying off debt. You as a seller who has accumulated equity can use your equity to pay off high interest debts like credit cards, personal loans, or student loans. This reduces monthly expenses, improves credit score, and provides greater financial security. For instance, a seller with $100,000 in equity might use part of it to eliminate $30,000 in credit card debt, saving thousands in interest. But I would say, please consult with a financial advisor or someone within your bank to kind of help you and guide you through that process. Number five, funding home renovations. You might elect not to move, but you can tap into your equity through a HELOC or a cash out refi to fund renovations. This could increase the value of your property and improve your living experience. Here are a few popular projects that you may decide to consider completing: adding a new kitchen, upgrading your bathroom, or installing energy efficient systems to reduce your utility costs. One thing I would suggest is make sure when you make these changes in your home, you want to make sure it makes sense for your neighborhood. So if you decide to sell, you can definitely get a return on your investment. Number six, diversify investments. You can take the equity from your home and allocate it into stocks, bonds, or other investment opportunities. By diversifying your portfolio, it will spread the risk and allows your wealth to grow in areas beyond real estate, such as retirement accounts or mutual funds. Number seven, start or expand a business. Equity can be used as seed money for a business venture to expand your current business. Unlike traditional loans, this doesn't require monthly payments to your bank. For example, you might sell your home and net $80,000 from the sale and use it to open up a cafe or even invest in an e-commerce business. Eight, save for your future goals. You can leverage equity to save for significant milestones like your children's college tuition, weddings, extended travel. For instance, you might sell your home and set aside $50,000 for your children's education while using the rest to buy more affordable properties. Number nine, relocate to lower costing areas. You can choose to relocate to areas where the housing costs are lower, giving yourself the ability to stretch your equity a lot further. For example, selling your home in New York City, moving to a smaller town or state where lower property taxes allows for the homeowner to buy a comparable and better property for much less. Number 10, hedge against market uncertainty. Selling your home while prices are high will allow you as a homeowner to cash out before potential market downturn. By being able to leverage your equity, you can reinvest into a stable asset or wait for prices to drop before purchasing your next home. This strategy minimizes the risk of losing value if the real estate market softens in the future. With over the past 5 years, Houston real estate market has seen some impressive growth. From 2019 to 2024, home values in the Houston area has appreciated by approximately 26.6%, according to the Federal Housing Finance Agency. That's a significant increase, and it shows just how resilient and attractive Houston housing market has been for both residents and investors. So if you've been thinking about selling or leveraging your home equity, this kind of appreciation is proof of the long-term potential of owning a property here in the Houston area. As you can see, your home equity is more than just a number. It's an opportunity. When you're looking to upgrade, invest, or secure your financial future, the options are endless when you understand how to use this powerful tool. If you're ready to take the next step or have questions about leveraging your equity or thinking about purchasing a home, I'd love to help you make the most of your opportunities. Thank you for watching.